This guide will show you how to install Trucarbon's 2010 to 2014 Mustang carbon fiber LG45 Blackout panel. Use a T10 Torx screwdriver to remove the two screws holding the panel to the trunk. There is one on the left and right corner of the trunk lid. Start with one corner of the panel and begin to lift away from the trunk. Continue separating the panel until you reach the other side. This may take some force to disconnect, and you may hear some popping noises as you remove the panel. After disconnecting the panel, clean the trunk lid to ensure a maximum bond with the adhesive from the panel. Use an alcohol pad to clean the areas where the adhesive will be applied to the trunk lid. Remove the protective film from the double-sided adhesive. Line up your carbon fiber panel with the edge of the trunk lid. After aligning, press firmly where you have applied the adhesive to ensure a flush fit. This will conclude the install. For more Trufiber and Trucarbon products, visit trufiber.com or trucarbon.net.